Hi everyone, welcome. This is the last video of our channel's module covering how to edit a channel. I'll be covering to editing a channel. Now here is the channel. These videos. Test 1, 2, 3. Now you can press here, view them all members of the channel. You can add a few people from here. And this is the about section. You want to add topic to just describe to your teammates what will be discussed in this channel. You can do so here. You can even add a description, which will be a brief description. This is what who created or any files that were uploaded. You'll be able to see them here. Now, this is the list of members. Integrations are usually available in the page. Now here's the channel name. This is what you can use to convert to a private channel. If I press this button, the action cannot be undone. Once this converts to a private channel, it cannot become a public channel once again. So please be careful with this part. Now that I have made this a private channel, I can move on to the next part, which is archiving a channel or deleting a channel. Now that the work in this channel has been completed, I can either archive the channel. If I archive the channel, I'll still be able to read the text, I'll still be able to access the files, but if I delete the channel, I'll not be able to do anything. So let me just try doing archive. See, everything is mentioned here. I'll do archive and I'll tell you how you can find this channel back again. The channel was named test 1, 2, 3, and here archive channel. These were all the messages that were sent. So this is how you can edit